All right, it is Sunday, May, what's today? May 26th. We are on the way to Valley of Fire. So first we're gonna go get gas, buy some chips along the way, and then it will take us approximately 50 minutes to get there. All right, we'll see you then.
Yes, please. So where does this lead? To just drive all the way down? We just find any spot to look at? Okay. Okay. So 4 miles still down, we'll hit the
Visitor center.
visitor. Okay.
That's where the trail is. Some of the trails are closed for the sun.
Sure. Okay. And I'll lead us right here.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Thank you so much, man. Have a good one.
Ended up not going bowling because
You didn't want to wait till midnight.
yeah, I did not.
I didn't either, actually.
Just didn't want to go home too late today, so we're going home. Catch you later. Tonight we are attempting to go bowling because yesterday we couldn't go. The wait was till like midnight and we didn't want to wait. We normally wait and then we go home like around 2 or 3, but we just weren't feeling it. So hopefully we get to bowl today. Look at that. They're so quick. That's KB Homes for ya. We're going to the bowling store. Oh, to get his ball drilled. You excited? No, Roxy, stay here. How much? 40? Good morning. Oh my goodness. Good morning.
Sliding door open.
Speak. Speak. Okay. So hot looking and shopping for trucks. I like the exterior of the Tacoma, but not really the interior. He's looking for I guess the older years, I could say. The screen is not as big as, you know, the 2024, but he's gonna be the one driving it. So we are currently test driving the Tacoma. What year is this, babe?
I think 21.
21?
Huh?
Alright, it's not as big as I expected it to be, but it's doable. This is an SR5
Yes.
Tacoma push start. This is 2024. The other one was 2021. So this is the difference here. This one is obviously a little bigger. Little bits of space. Screen is still kind of small. Like, why is there so much room over here when it could just like, shoo! And here we go.
Is he on?